Good morning students, this is your history lesson. Students, we have completed syllabus for my assessment. So today we will revise question answers of chapter 1 Civilizations of the Ancient World Mesopotamia. We will revise question 1, 2 and 3. First question is, why did ancient civilizations grow near rivers? Name some of the ancient civilizations and the regions where they flourished. Students, the study of ancient history shows that the world's major civilizations have developed near important rivers such as the Indus in the Indian subcontinent, the Nile in Egypt, the Tigris and Euphrates in Iraq, and the Yellow River in China. Why do you think this happened? Students, answer is most ancient civilizations grew near the rivers because of fertile land and availability of water necessary for agriculture. The main occupation of man. Also, rivers, water provided places to hunt and fish. The four river valley civilizations were the Tigris and Euphrates valleys, the Nile River Valley, the Indus River Valley, and the Yellow River Valley. Question 2. What are some of the features of ancient civilizations? Students, some of the features of ancient civilizations are: Number 1, stable food supply. Number 2, social structure. Number 3, system of government. Number 4, religious system. Number 5, highly developed culture. Number 6, advances in technology. Number 7, highly developed written language. Number 8, language and script. Number 9, town planning, residential building and monuments. Number 10, special crafts and skills. Question 3. What is meant by the cradle of civilization and which does this term refers to? Students, Mesopotamia, which means between two rivers, is the area between the Euphrates and the Tigris rivers in today's Iraq and was also called Sumeria. It is known as the Fertile Crescent and the cradle of civilization. The two rivers produced fertile soil and a stable supply of water for irrigation, which enabled the people living there to make farming their livelihood. So, what is meant by the cradle of civilization and which does this term refers to? The answer is, a cradle of civilization is a location where civilization society developed independently. Mesopotamia, the area between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in modern-day Iraq, is often referred to as the cradle of civilization because it is the first place where complex urban centers grew. So, students, this is your lesson for today. You have to learn these 3 questions by heart. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.